Upgrading your plumbing often brings up a major debate. Should you switch to a tankless water heater? Understanding the pros and cons is essential before making the investment. Traditional heaters store water and keep it hot around the clock. A tankless system, however, only activates when you turn on the tap, heating the water instantly as it flows through the unit. The biggest advantage is an endless supply. Because water is heated continuously, you can run the dishwasher, do laundry, and take back-to-back showers without ever running out of hot water. Without a massive tank losing heat all day and night, you eliminate standby energy loss. This on-demand approach makes tankless units significantly more energy efficient, lowering your monthly utility bills. Bulky 50-gallon storage tanks take up valuable square footage. Tankless units are incredibly compact and mount directly to the wall, instantly freeing up floor space in your utility closet or garage. A standard tank typically lasts 10 to 15 years before the metal begins to fail. With proper maintenance, a high-quality tankless water heater can easily last 20 years or more. The primary drawback is the initial cost. The high-tech unit itself is more expensive than a traditional tank, and the precise installation process adds to the total upfront price tag. Switching to tankless often requires retrofitting your home's infrastructure. You may need to upgrade your gas lines, modify your exhaust venting, or increase your electrical capacity to handle the high power draw. While the supply is endless, the simultaneous flow rate is not. If you try to run 3 showers and the washing machine at the exact same time, the system might struggle to keep up. To avoid output issues, precise sizing is critical. A professional must calculate your household's peak gallon-per-minute demand to ensure the unit you choose performs flawlessly under pressure. Make the right choice for your home and your long-term budget. For expert sizing, reliable advice, and professional tankless water heater installation, contact Black Mountain Plumbing. Visit blackmountainplumbing.com today.